तुम्ही पण वयसून नाही ना कोण घालते ना कोंकणी मुखार कुसोन दिस इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड संविधान बंद मरी आता पुढे कोणाला घालचे ना I know that two ward members have to take responsibility.
But they lie down to the I mean,
Baba is kept dirty. It's our responsibility to clean it and clean it every day. So please follow that protocol.